How to buy Bodify. BOTIFY Token Crypto Coin How to by Solana Cloud RAYDIUM MEXC Global AI Agents Blockchain. Sup everybody, HelperDog here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BOTIFY token. The name of the token is Bodify, and the ticker symbol is also Bodify. This token is on the Solana blockchain, and it has a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, and just recently got a big central exchange listing. We're going to break down all the information on the BOTIFY token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we dive into that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information, so take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there are a ton of referral codes down in the description box. Check them out for the best crypto apps where you can get free money, free rewards, free crypto, and things like that, just by using those referral codes and funding your account. It's real simple, and referral codes benefit both of us. So, check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token. BOTIFY Token Overview. Market cap, $28.4 million. 24-hour trading volume, $14.8 million. Token price, 2.8 cents per token. Token pair created, 14 days, 17 hours ago. Exchange listing, recently listed on MEXC Global. How to get BOTIFY. If you're looking to get the BOTIFY token, it just got listed on MEXC Global. Here's how to get it. Go through the MEXC Global referral code down in the description box if you don't have an account yet. Open an account and fund it with USDT. Go to the trade section and search for BOTIFY. Simply buy the token. Done. They've also got their Twitter up on the screen with 11,000 followers, so you can find more information and updates there. At BOTIFY Cloud has the blue verified checkmark, 113 tweets, and they joined in January 2025. They also have links to their webpage and Telegram. What is BOTIFY? BOTIFY is an innovative platform designed to streamline and simplify cryptocurrency automation through a certified all-in-one AI agent marketplace. Inspired by Shopify's success in e-commerce, BOTIFY Cloud empowers both developers and crypto enthusiasts to create, deploy, and manage AI-powered bots effortlessly without needing extensive technical knowledge. This platform addresses the fragmented nature of current agent marketplaces by providing a centralized, trusted environment where quality and security are paramount. Every bot listed on BOTIFY Cloud undergoes a rigorous certification process to ensure reliability and performance, giving users confidence in their automation tools. BOTIFY Cloud is not just a marketplace. It's a thriving ecosystem that fosters innovation, community engagement, and continuous improvement. They aim to democratize crypto automation, making it accessible and beneficial for everyone in the crypto space. Key features of BOTIFY. AI-powered bots. Users can explore a diverse range of agent categories like trading bots, volume management bots, social media bots, and utility bots. Instant bot creation tool. This allows users to quickly customize bots to meet their specific needs. Revenue sharing model. BOTIFY incentivizes long-term participation and investment by offering passive income opportunities for token holders. Certified agents. The platform guarantees reliability through its certification process for bots listed on the platform. BOTIFY Token Utility. The BOTIFY token plays a critical role in the BOTIFY Cloud ecosystem as the native utility token. Here's how it's used. Marketplace transactions. Use BOTIFY to purchase or activate agents on the platform. Premium features. Unlock advanced agent customization and access exclusive templates. Governance. Token holders can participate in platform decisions through voting on proposals. Staking. Stake BOTIFY to earn additional rewards and benefits. Revenue sharing. A small fee from every transaction is divided among the platform, agent creators, and token holders. Tokenomics. Total supply, 1 billion tokens. Transaction fees. A portion of the transaction fees within the marketplace is shared. 50% is reinvested into platform maintenance and development. 30% is redistributed to agent creators as rewards. 20% is distributed to BOTIFY token holders, providing passive income. Final thoughts. Bodify is making moves in the crypto space with its innovative AI-powered bot marketplace. With its recently listed token on MEXC Global, a solid market cap, and the growing ecosystem, it's definitely one to keep an eye on. If you're into crypto automation, this platform could be a game changer for you. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about Bodify? Is this a project you're interested in? Like this video and subscribe for daily crypto updates where I break down the latest coins, tokens, and their utility. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.